In today's video, I'll be explaining about case escalation rules. To begin with, from the quick find, we'll go into the escalation rules. When we go into the escalation rules, try to create a new escalation rules using this new button. Let's name it custom test rule. Do not forget to check on the active box, and once that is done, try to save it. Now try to click on the rule that we've created. In rule entries, try to create new rule entries wherein the sort order you could put it as 1, and then we will select the criterias. Here the criterias are when the case is closed not equal to true. So these are the business hours for the criteria of this escalation rule. For now we will just let the regular business hours be specified. That is on the case, and you could probably select based on last modification time. Whenever if that particular case is being modified, it could trigger. Then try to save it. Under escalation actions, try to create a new action wherein you put the time, supposing we put it as an hour for instance, or maybe 5. That means that if a case is not attended within this 5 hours, an escalation rule would trigger. So we'll auto assign it to the existing user. That's the algo admin, and let's try to save the record. Now we will go back, create a case and try to validate it. So here we are. Let's try to create a new case. Status is new, priority is high, case origin could be phone or something. Let's fill in the mandatory details that's needed. Since this is for test purposes, I'm just filling in the mandatory details and save. So once the record is saved, try go back to the setup to verify the action. In the quick find, put in case escalation. Select a criteria, case to escalate. And here you go. The case that was created, case number 00001028, been projected here, and the escalation action time is 5 hours, and it has been created inside the time. So yeah, so this is how you verify if the case escalation rule is working. Thank you so much for watching this.